Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 Tune Cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have another in my collection, Chorokyu Bullet Train or Train. Anyway guys, it's called Shinkansen 200 series Tohoku Joetsu Train series. So guys, it has only different in color compared to the Zero series guys. And I did not get the back of this. But this one guys also has a 2-gear in his pullback mechanism. See? Okay. Bought this also as a loose guys. In very good condition, I think. With some light scratch. But still usable guys. Playable. And it says at the bottom 200. Because this one is a 200 series. With very good condition tires and a train design wheels. So compared to the Zero series guys, I think they are the same. Only difference guys is the window. The Zero series guys has 2 windows. The 200 series guys has only 1, but at the bottom guys are the same. It's only 1 door. Then in the left side another, it's having a 1 window, the 200 series, and the Zero has 2. In the upper part guys, nothing much. The design only in the middle. The green is cuter than the blue, I think. Anyway guys, again, this is a Chorokyu release, standard size, Shinkansen 200 series, and Hokuto Joetsu Train or Bullet Train. Don't have any idea. I've never been in Japan guys. So that's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.